Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. So, welcome to my very first episode, Ann Talks. So, palagay mo, ano? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. So, I'm your host, Ann, and I'm so excited to finally start this journey with all of you. So, here on Ann Talks, we'll dive into the real stories, real issues, and also real conversation that matter to us, right? So, this is also the safe space where we can share ideas, ask questions, and also learn from one another. So let's make this happen. So again, thank you so much. And since this is our first pilot episode, I just wanted to say thank you for tuning in and also supporting me from the very beginning of this episode. So thank you so much and sana supportahan niyo po kasi yung mission ko, if you can read the post that I made a few days ago. Nilagay ko po doon yung mission ko. So, let me just give you a brief details. So, yung mission ko po is pag sinuportahan nyo ako, especially if you send me a star, that won't be wasted. Instead, we can help someone in need. I'm not mayaman or hindi po ako mayaman, pero marunong po ako mag-share ng blessing. So, mark my word, so, suportahan nyo na lang po ako dito sa gagawin natin ito. Again, and also, I just wanted to add, this is not the episode or talk show that I wanted to. This is not what I expected. Pero wala po akong, walang maghahawak ng camera ko, ng phone ko, or anything. I don't have any assistant. So, let's start from the scratch, right? So, dapat, yun naman talaga. Most of us, nagsisimula uh, sa wala, right? Like zero in total. So anyhow, sit back and relax. Let's talk about the blogger or vlogger. So let's talk about what is the difference between the two aside from their spelling, right? Actually, yung pagkakaiba lang naman nila is yung first letter of the word blogger. It start with letter B for boy, and then the other one that's gonna be V for Victor, right? So let's see, let's check. So palagay mo ano? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Alright. So actually nagtanong-tanong ako nung nakaraan sa iba kung alam nila ang pagkakaiba ng blogger or vlogger. However, I think this is the question that they are hesitating to answer. Kadalasan na tinatanong ko, hindi nila alam kung ano yung sasagot. So actually, me myself, yeah, ako, nung umpisa, honestly, akala ko same lang yung bloggers and vlogger. Pero nung nag-research na ako, dun ka nalaman na madami or medyo, yeah, aside from spelling, madami din silang pinagkaiba. Especially sa platform kung saan mo sila dapat. And when it comes to their skills. So, let's talk about that. Tara, let's go. So, yes, first I want to talk about a blogger. So, that's gonna be the blogger with a B. So, a blogger is someone who writes and publishes stories, opinions, tips, or news. They usually posted it on the website. So, yes, if you love creating stories or if you love creating reviews, especially those who talk about, who talk about personal experience or even business advice, uh, you're probably a blogger. So the main tools that's gonna be a word and images. Again, if you love writing and explaining details using photos, you're a blogger. Blogger with a B, right? Blogger. So, on the other hand, a vlogger is a storyteller who uses videos, I'm looking at the CCTV on our CCTV. Okay, yeah, sorry for the interruption. So, yeah, a vlogger on the other hand is a storyteller who uses videos. Usually, they post on the platform like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and more. So, like what I'm doing, yeah, I'm posting my content on Facebook. So, I'm a vlogger. I also posted or I also published stories on Medium. Just sorry for the confusion. So again, let's go back. We're talking about vlogger, right? So if you like posting your content on YouTube or Facebook and your audience can see your facial expression like what I'm doing, you can see my face, you can hear my voice, you're a vlogger. All right? So their audience can can see their facial expression, hear their voice and connect with their personally. So the example of that one, if you're comfortable in front of camera and also like telling stories while people can see your face, you're a vlogger. So again, that's gonna be a vlogger with a V. So you know already the difference, right? But let me just give you a key for this platform, which is the key differences for you to know or to be familiarized. Ano bang tamang term doon? Yung parang alam mo na 'pag unang kita mo, alam mo na kung vlogger siya or vlogger. So, yung platform ng vlogger is gumagawa sila ng vlog or sa website. And yung vlogger naman, video platforms. Sorry, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right or if pareho lang pagkaka-pronounce ko, but let me just try. So, the main tools of the blogger with a B, that's gonna be text and photos. While vlogger, that's gonna be video and audio. And also when it comes to their skills, we have or they have different skills set. So for blogger with a B, that's gonna be, or for blogger, the skills needed, that's gonna be writing and editing. And on the other hand, for vlogger, the skills needed, that's filming and editing. So there's a lot of questions still, if they can do both, right? Of course, especially if magaling ka mag-edit, magaling ka magsulat, syempre naman pwede mo siyang gawin, 'di ba? Kung magaling kang gumawa ng libro, magsulat ng reviews, yes, of course, you can definitely do both. So, many content creator as well right now, they can do both. They are doing bloggers. I mean, they do both bloggers and vloggers. So, they also write a blog and create a video at the same time with the same topic. So, that's their way to get more audience. Actually, based on my experience, I mean, personally, myself personally, gumagawa ako ng libro, and then gumagawa din ako ng mga quotes, and then I publish that on menu.com ba yun? And then read it. So that's the website where I publish my own quotes, and then yung libro. Actually, may dalawa na akong libro na pinublish. That's the title of the first story book that I created. That's gonna be Max and Bella. And then the second one, that's gonna be Unconditional. Sorry, I forgot the title of the book. Pero syempre, ako yung gumawa, diba? Ang dami na kasing nasa utak ko, kaya nakalimutan ko. Unconditional ata yun. Unconditional band. Sorry, nakalimutan ko, pero i-try ko i-post yung title on my Facebook. Basta yun, tungkol yun sa magkapatid. Yun yung pinost ko. Yung una is about sa aso at pusa, and then yung ikalawa about yun sa magkapatid. So, that's also based on true story or based in real life. Diba? So, wala po akong gagawin na yung parang, actually yung fiction, hindi naman nga fiction yun yung Max and Bella. Iniba ko lang yung, yung pangalan. Pero, syempre, children's book, right? So, I'm I'll make it short. So, ginawa kong maiksi lang yun. So, nakalimutan ko talaga yung title ng second. So, Max and Bella, madali lang kasi siyang tandaan. Yun yung first story na pinublish ko. And then second, yung about sa magkapatid. So, ang Unconditional Bond ata yung title. So, the resilience of, family resilience. Parang ganon, diba? So, anyway, again, as I was saying or as I mentioned earlier, I will try to post the cover lang or the book cover on my Facebook. So, I'm trying to sell quotes as well, inspirational quotes or daily life quotes. So, sana, may bumili. So, yan. Yun lang. So, let's see. So, let's go back to the main topic for today's episode. So, now that you already know the difference between a blogger and a vlogger, tanong ko ulit. Hindi ako magsasama magtanong. I mean, kung may mag-sponsor ba sa'yo, ano bang kukunin mong path or ano ba sa Tagalog ang path? Landas. Yeah, landas. Galing. Charot. Nagugulo na kasi ako magtatagalog, Bicol or English. So, I'm working in a call center. English din doon. Walang Tagalog. And then, gusto ko sana yung Bicol na lang, yung Bicol dialect para more natural lang. Kaya lang yung iba, sabi, hindi nila maintindihan. So, 'di ba? Alam nga naman, i-translate ko na naman. Charot. Again, ako lang gumagawa ng video mag-isa. So, wala akong assistant. And then, sinisingit ko na lang nga siya kasi may anak din ako na maliit pa. So, parang sinisingit ko na lang siya. So, hoping na you will understand the situation. I mean, pinasok ko to. So, 'di ba? Pangatawanan ko. Try until I die. Sabi, hindi, joke. So, again, going back, now that you already know the difference between a blogger and a vlogger, the important thing is to choose the platform you're most comfortable with and also you enjoy doing. So, in the end of the day, the real key to content creation is your passion for sharing stories. Aside from that, pag comfortable ka or pag komportable ka sa ginagawa mo, mas maganda yung kakalabasan ng content mo, 'di ba? So again, kung nagustuhan niyo to, don't forget to like, share, and comment your thought below. So I'd love to hear from you all, mga side comment or negative comment or anything that you wanted me to discuss as well. You can just comment on this section below. So again, if you'd like, you can also support me. You can also send stars. Yeah, this is very important. So I'm hoping and I'm asking you to do me a favor to help me and support me with this one so we can also help someone, right? So again, thank you so much. I'm Anne, and this has been Anne Talk. See you on the next episode. We are gonna talk about a setting up payment method. So I'm gonna share a brief information. So I will share how to set up your payment method on Meta because there's a few as well. There's a lot of person as well asking me to do that. Okay, so let's see you on the next episode. So, palagay mo, tara, pag-usapan natin yan. So, sa mga kapwa content creator ko po, let's go. Bakas lang ng bakas. Balikan ko kayo. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye now.